Welcome to our channel, where we provide you with helpful guides and tutorials to enhance your experience with X. In today's video, we will walk you through a full guide on how to view the media of someone's X account. If you're curious about the content or updates shared by a specific account on X, this guide is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open X on your device. This could be the X app or the X website, depending on your preference and availability. Step 2. Once you're in X, navigate to the account you want to see. You can search for the account using the search function, or find it through your connections or recommendations. Step 3. Once you're on the account's profile, look for the option labeled Media in the viewed drawer. This is where you'll find all the photos, videos, and other media shared by the account. By following these simple steps, you can easily view the media of someone's X account and explore their content in a convenient way. We hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to view the media of someone's X account. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials and guides.